thought about throwing you in with the Protestants. I'd rip a fine Catholic lord like you limb from limb. And then I realized I have better use for you alive. You cost me more than you could possibly imagine. But your debt will be paid.
Anything you ask, and it's yours.
Yes. Anything. Because from now on you belong to me. You will do and say as I command. You will be charged with, well, whatever I damn well please before I publicly take everything you have. You're my puppet now. And should you outlive your usefulness, I'll have you slaughtered in the dead of night. Sleep well, Nazis.